Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix outdated corrupted driver on your Windows 10. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So start the video. The first method is open your Windows Explorer and after that click here this PC and right click on it and click here manage option. And after that guys, click here device manager option, and after that click here network adapter and expand it, and after that click here your wireless adapter, right click on it. This is your wireless adapter, find here and click here update driver and click here browse my computer for driver and let me pick from a list. Click on it and select your Wi-Fi adapter here. Okay, you can see here this is your Wi-Fi adapter and click here next button. So guys, your Wi-Fi adapter get updated here. Close it and after that guys, right click again on it and click here properties, and after that guys, click here power management option and uncheck this option and click here OK button and close this window. After that guys, launch your any browser and check your internet is working or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, after that, if your problem is not fixed, please install Wi-Fi driver on your Windows. Okay. Sometimes if your Wi-Fi driver is not properly installed, you download from internet your Wi-Fi driver and after that installed again. Okay, your problem will fixed. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.